Dealing with chronic shoulder pain is no fun. If you're in pain and you're looking for some relief, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take care of your own shoulder pain in 4 steps. So stay tuned and let's get right into this. Welcome to or welcome back to our channel. If you have not been here yet, we make videos to help you look good and feel better. My name is Michael from Forever Aesthetic, and I'm here to talk to you about shoulder pain. So if that interests you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join Team FA. I'd encourage that you stick around for the full video because we're going to be learning a fulsome approach of how to take care of our shoulder pain. So step number 1 to alleviating shoulder pain is to roll out your shoulder muscles. We have a lot of stress and tension that likes to hide in the shoulders, and that breeds a lot of toxins that like to stick into that muscle. So the first thing we're going to do is flush out our shoulders and really get those toxins out of that muscle. So for our release here, we're going to be rolling out our shoulder, front and back. I'm going to be using a green rad round. If you don't have one of these, you can grab a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball. So let's get started. We're going to grab this ball right here, place it against the wall, and we're just going to sink in. So first, we're just going to scan the area. We can go slowly back and forth, looking for anything that feels a little bit tight or sticky or even painful. Once you find an area that feels a little bit painful, I want you to dig in. Apply a bit more pressure by leaning into the wall. You can press your feet away from the wall to apply more pressure. And you're going to breathe in and out. You want to hold that spot for about 10 to 30 seconds until you feel it kind of release, and then you're going to move on. You're going to continue scanning back and forth, looking for another tight area. Remember, you can also go up and down on that shoulder as you scan. So make sure to hit the front and the back. Spend about 1 to 2 minutes looking for those tight areas. After rolling both shoulders for 2 minutes, it's time to move on to step number 2, which is stretching. The first stretch we're going to do is really going to open up our chest and our shoulders. We're going to place our hands behind our back. We're going to hinge over to the side, and we're going to take nice deep breaths at the end there. Remember, I'm only holding for 5 seconds. I need you to hold for 30. Feel free to pause the video now if you need to and hold. Good, I'm coming over here. Awesome. The next stretch we're going to do here is a tricep stretch. We're going to place our hand up and reach down our back as far as we can, placing our hand on our elbow, and the goal is to pull this arm back and keep the chin and chest up here. Breathing in and out. Good. Nice deep breaths. If we're not breathing, our muscles will not release. So make sure to continue breathing through the whole stretch. Perfect. The next stretch we're going to do, we're going to place our hands behind our back. We're going to pull our shoulders back here, keep our chin lifted, and we're just going to press our palms together as we push them towards the floor. Taking nice deep breaths in and out. Remember, we're holding for 30 seconds. Perfect. The next stretch we're going to do here, we're going to take our arm, we're going to bring it over, lock it in right here above the elbow, and we're going to take our head and we're going to turn it over to the right, just over the shoulder, and we're going to take nice deep breaths here, in and out. Good. Remember, you can pause this video at any time in order to hold the stretches for the prescribed time. Awesome. Good. The last and final stretch we're going to go into here is called a waiter stretch. We're going to place our hands up to the sky, and palms are going to be facing like this. So we're going to press our hands up here, keep the chin lifted, and really reach as far as you can. So extend those lats, try to unlock those armpits, keep the hands flat, and breathe. Awesome. So I want you to work on those stretches, 30 seconds each, 2 times. Do that 2 to 3 times a day. In step number 3, it's time to strengthen these shoulders and put them into a better alignment so we can alleviate that shoulder pain for good. I'm going to run you through a shoulder circuit. We're going to be doing each move back to back. You can rest 15 to 30 seconds in between each exercise. I want you to perform 10 reps of each move. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to be performing 2 reps. So let's get started here. You're going to go 2 to 3 rounds. First exercise, shoulder squeeze. We're going to lift up our chest, bring our ears up to our shoulder, Squeeze your shoulder blades together, holding 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna relax it right there. Then we're gonna come up again, ear to shoulder, squeeze it back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax it right there. At this point, you can rest if you need to, and then we're gonna move it on. The next exercise we have here is called YTWs, one of my personal favorites for fixing posture. It's also very challenging as well. So we're gonna make sure to keep our chest up, core tight. We're gonna lift our hands up here. We're gonna squeeze 5 seconds each position. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna bring it down to the T, squeeze even further, more shoulder blades together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we're gonna draw the elbows down here, keeping the palms up and hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're gonna relax it right there. We're gonna go right back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open up, squeeze together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze the elbows in here one more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that's one more time for me, 8 more for you. So keep it up. Next exercise we're gonna do, and final one, we're gonna grab a resistance band. This exercise is called chest expansion. We're gonna put our shoulders as back and down as we can. We're gonna grab this band. We're gonna clasp it like this, keeping tension in the band. Keep the chest up here. Bring it up as high as we can, holding for 3 seconds. And then we're gonna come back down. Gonna go up as high as we can, holding for 3 seconds. And then we're gonna come back down. Finish strong all the way up to 10, and when you're done, grab a quick sip of water and run through the whole thing again. On to the next and final step. So we've made it to step 4. Step 4 is all about unlocking your body's natural painkillers and healing yourself from the inside. Our endorphins, aka natural painkillers, are released when we undergo aerobic cardio for more than 30 minutes. So if you want to get these endorphins flowing, make sure to get on a bike ride, a swim, a run for longer than 30 minutes in duration. Keep in mind that shoulder pain and neck pain are very closely related, so if you're suffering from any neck pain, make sure to check out our chronic neck pain fix video. I'll place it here in the card. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on more videos like this. If you could please do me a favor, leave a comment below and let me know how you felt after this video. I'd really appreciate it. It was a pleasure spending time with you today, and I'll see you in the next video.